Frustrated by your RTX 50 series DisplayPort no signal or sudden black screen glitches? You're not alone, and we're fixing it right now. The root cause often starts with a simple cable issue. First, power down your PC and monitor completely. Disconnect your DisplayPort cable from both ends. Give it a thorough inspection for any bends or damage, then firmly reseat it, ensuring a secure connection. Sometimes just swapping to a different DisplayPort on your GPU or even trying a new cable entirely can resolve an intermittent signal. If a cable check doesn't bring your display back, the problem might be deeper with your graphics drivers. This brings us to method 2, driver management. Put into Windows Safe Mode, then use a tool like DDU to completely wipe any old NVIDIA drivers. Performing a clean installation of the very latest drivers from NVIDIA's official site is crucial. Outdated or corrupt drivers are a primary culprit for display issues. After a clean install and restart, your RTX 50 series DisplayPort should be sending a stable signal. Still no picture? Your monitor itself could be holding onto a power residual. Method 3 involves a full monitor power cycle. Turn off your monitor, unplug its power cord for at least 30 seconds to fully discharge any residual power. Then plug it back in and power it on. Crucially, verify your monitor's input source is correctly set to DisplayPort. Finally, if you're still battling, method 4 tackles advanced settings. Access your BIOS UEFI, temporarily disable fast boot, and ensure your motherboard BIOS is updated. Sometimes simply resetting the RTX 50 GPU in its PCIe slot or even testing another slot can make all the difference, as it reestablishes critical hardware connections. Get your RTX 50 series DisplayPort issues resolved today.